Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So, big question here: is that the break of the triangle, or is it just a retest of the high of the range? I'm just going to put that level in there. That's this level here. Remember, we've triangle, diamond, whatever. It was looking bearish, for now all of a sudden we're looking fairly bullish. But again, just pay attention to your weekly levels, because there is the area that we are battling with, and next stop would pretty much be the all-time high at 16,313. So 1600 is obviously the level that we've been trying to breach for quite some time. Now if you just look at this on the 3-hour, all week barbed wire confusion, was looking very bearish yesterday morning, for another rejection for a move down. That didn't materialize at all, and we've got what could be an exhaustion bar or could actually just be a break. The important thing here on the 3-hour is that you can see these levels. Now, I'm not going to put all of them in, but there and there probably accounts for most of the levels that it blew through yesterday. And we'll look at what they are now. So looking at the hour, I mean, look at this big pin bar with a continuation to the downside. I mean, that was textbook short in my books, but anyway, I did take it, got stopped out. Basically, bottom of range. So what we're looking for is a pullback onto 15,985, 15,985. Any of these tails could affect it. So between 15,985 and 16,012. Those are the two areas you need to pay attention to, and anything in between that could stop price. So it looks like a bit of a flag forming. Oscillators have grouped to the upside as well in the hour. Looking at the 15-minute, we're nowhere, but that's kind of the view that I've got. I'm just going to fine tune that there. That takes us to 15,993. There is a gap to the downside, another gap to the downside, so a bit of a messy move up. So don't be too surprised if you see this thing fall all the way back down to the bottom here. But if it does hold on one of these levels, it's probably well worth taking a stab at it for a move to the upside. Quite a big, there's nothing really in between where we are now and 16,300. So that's kind of the way that I would be playing this. But just bear in mind, this could be top of range, so don't get too carried away just yet. I just want to swing left on the 8-hour just to show you what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm lying to you. There is a bit of structure here higher up. I'll put both in. Okay. Let's get back to the hour. Let's just do that. So we're looking for support off, let's just say 16,012 or 1600 area. We're looking for support to form. If support does form, we're looking for another attack at 16,026. If we get through that, then it is 16,073, which is profit, then 16,100, which is the next area. After that, there's not much till 16,300. So still quite a bit of resistance, overhead resistance for us to get through. But depending how this plays out today, and if you just look at the 15 minutes, just stick to the 15 minute, pull back down to here does close that gap, but it doesn't close this gap further down. So for as long as we're above the moving averages, trend is up, and you're looking for opportunities to buy into this. By the time market opens, the oscillator should ease off the bottom as well, which should give you an opportunity to find the level that we need to look at and take the trade to the upside. Anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Amazing how it swings from bearish to bullish in 2 days, and I wouldn't be too surprised to see this thing drop all the way down to the bottom of the range as well. So just keep your wits about you. If you are going to take a trade, small position, tight stop loss, because nothing is guaranteed at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.